I'm Ashna Khurana, UCMS batch 2017. I secured a rank of 68, All India rank in INI CET November 23. And my journey with Bhatia started with, I opted for the TND course. So I attended all the TNDs online, on live platform as well, and recorded version also. So I thought that gave my preparation a boost at the end. So I was very confident that the notes are, the TND notes in itself are very complete, and that is the only source I need for the last 10 to 15 days for revision. So I think that is the best source for your preparation at the end. And I did not attend the live classes as such, but the teachers here are amazing. So I would always recommend that you should have a source for the last 15 days. So I think the TND course for you will be perfect. I think Ashwini sir, anatomy faculty is the best, because I have always hated anatomy. I could not even grasp it in the first year when I had learned all the theory. So I was always scared of that subject, but Ashwini sir made it so easy to grasp and also concise to be revisable at the end. So I think that is the best part about the notes that you have, that you can revise at the end. The TTP book and the LMRP books are also very helpful, because you get all the factual things at one place. You don't have to go to other sources to learn and cram up facts, because at the end it's about learning and cramming up the things. You have to go and show the spit it in the exam. So I think that books were also very helpful. And also the Vibe book is amazing for images, and it has everything at one place. Like the radio spotters were very good, and the medicine course with especially the ECG part that Dr. Thameen told, that was very helpful. So I was at the Delhi center, so Ashish sir has been very helpful in clearing all my doubts regarding the subscriptions and giving all the solutions at point. So I think visiting a center and being nearby to that place is very important. And also the staff members, if they are helpful, it really helps you in your journey being smooth. I think the main fact is you should never give up. If I had given up at the time of NEET, so I wouldn't have secured a double-digit rank. I got a rank of 10,000 in NEET PG this year. So I got from 10,000 to 68 rank. So my attitude was always never give up.